In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create equity accounts in QuickBooks online. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can set up your equity section properly and keep your books accurate and easy to understand. Equity accounts track the value of the owner's or partner's interest in the business, so getting this right from the start will save you a lot of confusion later on. First, sign into your QuickBooks online account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click that. From the list that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where all of your accounts live, including assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and of course, equity. When the Chart of Accounts page opens, look for the New button, usually near the top right of the list. Click New to start creating a brand new account. Now you'll see a form where you can define what kind of account this will be. Open the Account Type drop-down menu and select Equity. This tells QuickBooks that this account belongs in the equity section of your balance sheet, rather than as an asset, liability, income, or expense. Next, use the Detail Type drop-down to refine the kind of equity account you're creating. Here, choose the option that best matches your situation, such as owner's equity for a sole proprietor or partner's equity for a partnership. Picking the right detail type helps with reporting and makes it easier for you and your accountant to understand what the account represents. Now it's time to name the account. In the Name field, enter a clear, descriptive name that makes sense at a glance. For example, you might simply use Owner's Capital for a single owner business. If you have a partnership, consider creating separate equity accounts for each partner by including their name in the account title, such as Partner A, Capital Account. Clear naming will help you quickly identify whose equity you're looking at and avoid mixing up contributions or withdrawals. You'll also see optional fields like opening balance and description. If you're setting this up as of a certain start date and you already know the beginning equity amount, you can enter that as the opening balance. You can also add a brief description to explain how this equity account will be used, which is helpful for future reference or for anyone else working in your books. Once everything looks good and you've confirmed the details, click Save and Close. Your new equity account is now created and added to your chart of accounts, ready to use in your transactions and reports.